Let's discuss another example. Consider the following project. The normal cost of the project is rupees 10,000. The normal cost is given and the overhead cost is rupees 200 per day. So if I reduce the project duration by 1 day, total reduction in the cost is 200 rupees. If the project duration has to be crashed down to 9 days, the total cost of the project is, so we have to calculate the total project cost. The question was asked in GATE 2014. We are provided with very small project having only 4 activities, PQRS, predecessors are given and cost slope is also given. So now quickly draw the network diagram first. P has no predecessor. So let P, Q and R from the P. Let it be Q and S is from R. Okay. So let's draw here R. Here it will be Q and S is from R. So Q is not terminating anywhere. So it is terminating in last event. So activity Q and S. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Note down the duration of each activity. P is having a 3 days, Q 7 days, R 4 days and S 5 days. So after drawing the network diagram, we will calculate the total project duration. Okay, so now let's calculate the project duration. Activity 1 is started 0 days. Activity 1 to 2 is completed on 3 days. So 3 days. Activity 2 to 3 plus 4 it is completing on the 7 days. And activity 3 to 4, that is 7 plus 5, 12 days. Activity 2 to 4, 3 plus 7, 10 days. So there are 2 paths in this network. Let's note down. Path 1 is P to R, R to S, and duration of the project is 12 days. And second path is P to Q, and this path is taking how many days? 10 days. At present, critical path is 12 days. Now what is asked in the example? The question is, project duration has to be crashed down to 9 days. So when we are crashing it to 9 days, I have to crash both the path, PRS and PQ. I have to crash both the critical path, PRS by 3 days and PQ by 1 day. So let's see the cost slope. For P the cost slope is 500 rupees, for R it is 400 rupees and for S it is 200 rupees. So in path PRS we can select activity S, whose cost slope is 200 per day, rupees 200 per day. And in path P to Q, P and Q, P is having a 500 rupees. It is a common activity, but even though if we crash S in first critical path and in second critical path we crash the Q, the increase in the cost is 300 per day. For second path 100 per day. So total increase is 300 per day maximum. So there is no need to crash common activity. Here note that they do not provide any limitation of number of days to be crashed. In general, normally they are provided that particular activity can be crashed up to particular days. Here there is no condition. So what can we do? We will for reducing the project duration, we will create activity S by 3 days. How many days? 3 days, because we want 9 days from 12 days. So this path need to be created by 3 days. So we create the activity S by 3 days. So the new duration will be 2 days, and increase in the cost is rupees 600, and decrease in the days is 3 days. Similarly, P to Q, the timing is 10 days, we want 9 days, so we will create the activity Q by 1 day. So the new duration is 6 days. Increase in the cost is rupees 100, and reduction in days is 1. So now if we see the project duration, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9 days, 3 plus 6 9 days. So the project duration is now 9 days. Let's calculate the total cost of the project. So total project cost is equal to total project cost is equal to, see, do not confuse between normal cost, total normal cost and total project cost. Normal cost is related with normal duration. It do not include overhead. So total project cost is equal to total normal cost plus extra crash cost that we add because of crashing the activity. Extra crash cost plus overhead, total overhead cost, that is per day overhead cost. So that is equal to total normal cost given already, that is rupees 10,000. So total normal cost is rupees 10,000. Now extra crash cost, that is because of crashing the activity. We crash the activity S for 3 days, so that is 600. We crash the activity Q for 1 day, so that is 100. So total is 700, 600 plus 100, so that is 700. And total overhead cost, that is overhead cost per day is 200 rupees per day, and total activity duration, total project duration is 9 days. So that is 9 into 200, it is equal to 1800. 9 into 200. So the total project cost is 8 plus 7 15 to 12,500 rupees. 12,500 is total project cost. So clear? Let's quickly recap the example. In this example, a small project is given with 4 activities with their predecessors relationships and normal durations. So from that we have draw the network diagram, note down the durations, and we get total project duration is 12 days. Now question is asked that to crash the project to 9 days. So we have identified two paths, PRS and PQ. Path PRS take 12 days, path PQ take 10 days. We want total project duration 9 days. So we have to crash both the path for path 1 PRS by 3 days and path P2Q for 1 day. So in path PRS, minimum duration, minimum cost slope is 200 for activity S. So we crash activity S for 3 days. So total cost is rupees 600. For path P2Q, the minimum cost associated is 100 rupees with activity Q, and so we crash the activity Q by 1 day, and so the total cost is rupees 100 and we reduce by 1 day. So total duration now become 9 days. We crash activity S by S to 2 days, we crash it by 3 days, and activity Q is crashed by 1 day, and actual duration is 6. So now the total duration is 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9 days. So activity is stretched down to 9 days. Now we have to calculate the total project cost. Here one has to take care that the question is asked about total project cost and given is total normal cost. Normal cost do not include the overhead cost. It is associated with normal duration. So the total project cost is equal to total normal cost plus extra crash cost that incurred because of crashing the activity and total overhead cost. So total normal cost is given rupees 10,000. The extra cost is because of 600 plus 100, that is 700, and overhead cost is for 9 days and that is equal to 200 per day. So that is 9 into 200, 1800, and so the total project cost is 10,000 plus 700 plus 1800, that is equal to 12,500 rupees.